Hi. In this video, we will show you how to allow a printer or another network device through Bitdefender Firewall. Bitdefender Total Security and Bitdefender Internet Security come with a firewall module, and some of its settings can block communications with network devices such as printers, scanners, or other computers. The first troubleshooting step is to make sure it is actually the firewall that's causing the issue. Bring up Bitdefender from the desktop icon. From the dashboard, navigate to the protection section. In the firewall pane, go ahead and turn off the firewall. While that's disabled, test your printer again. If you can print while the Bitdefender firewall is disabled, you'll know it's the firewall. Now you can re-enable it. The next step after you've discovered it is the firewall that's causing the issue is to open the firewall settings. From Settings, under Network Adapters, you want to set the type of your network adapter to Home Office. In this case, it's set to Public. From the drop-down menu, select Home Office. Now we're going to open the firewall settings. Once we're here, we'll look for Stealth Mode and make sure that's set to make your device visible inside the network. As we can see, it's set to Invisible. In order to change this, set the switch corresponding to your network adapter to off. This should fix most printing issues. If not, there's one more step, and we'll walk you through that right now. Go back into the firewall settings and navigate to Rules. We're going to add a new rule. In the Rules tab, click Add Rule. Turn on, apply this rule to all applications. Click to expand Show Advanced Settings. Scroll down and enable the custom remote address option. There's only one thing we're gonna change here. It's remote address. You're going to change that to your printer's IP address. In this example, this is the printer that we're going to use. For you, this IP address will probably be different. If you are having trouble finding out your printer's IP address, check the user manual to learn more. Click Save. Now once that's saved, a new rule will appear here, and you should be able to use your network device again. Thanks for watching. Learn more at bitdefender.com/help, the Bitdefender support website.